Hey guys, it's Saleh. This release is all about speed. That means faster backtests, optimization runs, and soon it's going to be faster Monte Carlo simulations and also machine learning training. Yes, I'm spoiling a little bit from the future, but it's coming. Now, the main reason behind these faster backtests are first, this refactor that I did for how we handle candles in backtesting. And to give you an example, this is this very heavy backtest that I had for 3.4 years, and it's also using the 1 minute time frame. So it's very heavy. It's also using bigger time frames. And if you take a look at here, it took us 625 seconds to finish this backtest. But after these refactors, I finished the exact same backtest in only 138 seconds. So that is almost 6 times faster right there. And notice that all the numbers are exactly the same. So that's number one. If your strategy is also using multiple time frames, you're gonna see improvements. Now, how much of it depends on the duration of your backtest and the exact time frames that you were using. Now, the second reason why this release is faster is because of the integration of the Rust language. Now, if you don't already know Rust, it's this very shiny language that these days all the apps are using in order to improve their performance. Now, instead of rewriting the entire Jessie code with Rust, which is going to make it very unreadable and hard to maintain, I only implemented the parts that were critical for performance. Now, that part is still ongoing because we've already optimized using C libraries such as NumPy or Pandas, but wherever that's not the case, I am going to write it in Rust from now on. But starting now, I implemented many of our indicators with this language. Now, if you remember, just a few months ago, we stopped using Talib as a dependency of Jessie. And the reason was because it made it very difficult for people to install Jessie in the first place, because that library wasn't being maintained as well as I needed it to. But now, the new implementation that I did, not only is faster than what we had just a few weeks ago, but it's even faster than the Talib library, which means I guess I could claim that Jessie is now the fastest indicator library out there. I don't know, I haven't benchmarked like all of them, but I'm pretty sure it is super fast. Now, the code for this integration that I did is open source, and you can find it on our repository under Jessie Rust, which doesn't concern most of you, but if you are curious how I did it, you can check it out. But now let me show you how much faster it got. So remember this backtest that I said is like 6 times faster now, and it took 138 seconds. Well, after the new Rust implementation, we are finishing the same backtest with the exact same numbers in only 95 seconds. So that is almost 40% faster just because of the new indicators. You may not really care much about 40% faster if your backtest is very simple and you're just running it a few times. But imagine this, that if you were running the optimization mode for the same backtest, if you were spending 1 hour, now you're going to finish the same thing in 36 minutes. But if it's not 1 hour, if it was 4 hours or 10 hours, you get the idea. It's going to add up very quickly. And especially in the upcoming Monte Carlo simulations, this is going to be a huge win. In fact, that's why I'm tackling this right now, because I know the value of it for both Monte Carlo and AI training such as machine learning. And I couldn't be more excited about those. Now, I also did a lot of improvements and fixes in this release. So if you haven't checked them out, make sure to check the changelog page on our documentation. Thank you so much for supporting the project as always. I'll see you soon.